guys, this isn't sponsored, but I just want to share. I've been drinking this like for apat na lang natitira. So 6 days, mag-go 1 week na. This is my 7th day. And I don't know what's in this drink talaga. Like, kasi na-try ko na yung melon, pero like, I didn't drink it consistently. Pero now that I'm drinking the banana consistently, I don't know, I feel more glowing. Like, lahat na makalimutan ko, wag lang to. And I've been getting like a lot of compliments na, I love your aura. Basta, ganun ang atake. I'm not sure what specific benefit this has. Napa-check out lang ako one day. Tapos, yun, ininom ko na siya consistently kasi wala lang. But yeah, it's so nice. And it's also so sarap. Like, I don't like banana milk. Meron ako kasing favorite na strawberry milk. Tapos tinry ko yung banana milk nila. Kasi Korean siya. Tapos hindi ko nabitan. Pero ito, sobrang